Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a bit of an unboxing. So as you would have seen from some of my previous videos, I've started a new project, Chevron. So there's lots of parts of it that are good, there are some parts that are not so good. So before the Christmas rush, I've gone out and bought a few things. So today we're unboxing, and I hope it's going to be the windscreens, the Brooklyn screens that I ordered from Stratford Vehicle Components. So I've used these guys before, and I find that their shipping is incredibly fast. They use DHL for international shipping. So this was ordered on the 17th of November, and it's just got here on the 24th of November. And that was sent from England, so 7 days or 1 week, sent from England to my door, not a problem. So if you're going to use guys, those guys are really good. I recommend them. I solely recommend them for parts such as the Brooklyn screens. And if you go onto their website, which is s-v-c.co.uk, you can go through a lot of what they've got, and it's all very well priced. In fact, it's the cheapest I've found for good quality gear, and as I say, the shipping makes it very painless and easy. So without further ado, let's cut open the package and see what we've got. I know I shouldn't be just using a blade, but oh well. One thing I can say about DHL, which I was happy, was they were sending me texts and emails through every step of the way of the traced package. So I even thought it was a scam. The communication was so good. Initially I thought, oh, I'm being scammed here, they'll want a delivery fee or something. Maybe there's a prince in Nigeria that needs a couple of $1 million he needs to hide or something. Anyway, but no. Great communication from DHL all the way through. Okay. I've got, yes, everything I ordered. We hope. I mean, the biggest problem would be if I've made a mistake. Ooh, shredded box. Well, I guess it's recycling at its best. Okay, so the first thing out is a choke cable for my black Chevron. I need a nice little choke cable, and here we go. I've got my fuel cap. Okay, so that's wrapped in tissue. Nice. So aluminium Aston Martin style fuel cap. That works perfectly. So you got your vent hole here. It's all nice and sealed, and it feels good quality too. You know, when you feel something that's solid and it has a quality feel about it, it's good. It's a good feeling. So I'll be happy with that. And so we've got the thing for the fuel cap to actually screw onto. Yep. So yeah, the hose from the fuel tank gets hose clipped onto here. so beautifully made, all aluminium, natural anodized. This is very nice. Let's see if my calculations worked out and it actually screws on. Oh, yep. Oh, and there it is. It sits in there nicely. So I didn't screw that right up or screw it in tight. Being aluminium on aluminium, I will be putting a lubricant thread chase in there, and quite likely I'll be putting a small O-ring on the surface so it seals nicely. And you've got stainless steel, nice stainless steel cap screws to go into the fixings here. So that's excellent. That I really like that. So we'll put those away. Obviously, I'm not at. Oh, there we go. It does come with some gaskets to go in there anyway. Obviously I'm not at the situation or the point in my build where I need these, but I figured that at some stage I will need them, so I may as well buy them now and put them aside. There's so much uncertainty in the world at the moment. It's hard to think that, oh yeah, I'll buy that later. Okay, so the next thing should be my Brooklyn screens. Okay, once again you can see that we've made extensive use of recycling. And they're well bubble wrapped. Had a leg fall off, that's okay. Right, so these are, when I'm doing a Chevron, my personal preference is for the small Brooklyn screens to go on these style of cars. Obviously you can have any type of windscreen you want, it's just my preference is for these. With these you can also get the half moon or half round ones, but I prefer the little square ones. So these are extremely well protected. Now we've got our little glazing blocks on there to stop them hitting on each other. They're finished so well. They really do set the car off that has them on there. Anyway, so that makes me a happy camper. If you like what you see, and there's going to be more and more of this, I've ordered various things from around the world, and as I get them I'll unbox them, and you can see how I get them, how I receive them, how long it takes me. I pull no punches and be completely honest. If I'm happy with what I get, if I'm not happy, you'll know about it. So if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and by all means ask any questions. I'm more than happy to offer my knowledge in any way, shape or form I can. Anyway, thanks very much guys. You have a good day.